Android tablet here, my EasyConnect. We'll go ahead and launch that. We're going to go ahead and launch EasyConnect on the car. It's asking us our connection mode. I'm going to go ahead and hit Android USB. So the tablet has gone into some sort of menu. It says waiting for Bluetooth connection, check Bluetooth list. So we'll go ahead and say Subaru. It's already connected, so I don't need to disconnect. Okay. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Let me refocus the top. So we now have matching screens. So if I go ahead and hit the home button, well, look at that. Hey. So now, as you can see, I swipe and then it moves. So there is obviously a little bit of latency. We're going over a USB cable. I'm plugged into the quick charge USB port. And I don't know if the latency is caused by the Android tablet, because when I move on the Android tablet, it's about the same. I mean, this is a, low-end Android tablet. It's nothing fancy. But I can go into, open up Google Chrome here, and it's mirroring exactly what's on the device to what is on the little screen. Moving a little closer here so you guys can see. It's literally an exact mirror image. You do have the little dots here in the corner, so I don't know. Oh, these just move around. I don't know if there's any way to get rid of that. Maybe the bars? No, maybe not. So I could go here, and it does actually control the tablet. It's not the most practical though, for obviously stuff like this. I think if you run this on your phone, it's a little better, because it actually does, like, this originally came up with like this cool UI that said like navigation and stuff like that. So I'm actually pushing buttons on the tablet right now. So when I originally launched the EasyConnect, it came up, so here we go. So there we go. So now we get like navigation, music, more, and this is very snappy. This is very responsive. So this is like car mode, I guess, for your Android phone. Okay, there we go. Oh, so here we go. So this is pretty snappy. So I'm swiping on the screen with my finger, and you can see it's moving the actual tablet faster than it's moving the screen in the radio. Navigation, let's go into that. So that just loads up Google Maps. And if you're running this on your smartphone, then it should load pretty quick. I kind of like the dual screen thing. That's kind of cool. Definitely something different. Maybe something to consider down the road. Again, it's running it off the tablet. So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned. Coming soon. Boom, 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 boom. And a backup camera. Whoop, whoop.